watch this video until the end, you will learn how to knit another variation of the long stitch strap and one amazing tip for using it. Rotate the racking handle anti-clockwise to its upper position. Raise 3 needles in 1-to-1 division on the front bed and place the edge springs on the last working ones. Now raise 4 needles in 1-to-1 division on the back bed. The leftmost and the rightmost working needles must be on the back bed. Set both locks to N and the stitch size to 2. Insert the orange strippers and take the yarn. I will use acrylic yarn for this demonstration. Knit 1 row. Make sure there is yarn in all needles. Set both locks to CX and increase the stitch size to 3. Now knit 2 rows. Set both locks to N and the stitch size to 4. You can lay a piece of yarn over the stitches, make a knot and attach weight to it. The waste yarn piece will mark the cast-on edge, you will see why in a minute. Knit 1 row to finish the cast-on. On the front lock, set the stitch size to the lowest possible. Set the back lock to CX and the stitch size to the lowest possible. Now knit until you reach the desired length. To remove the strip from the machine, you can make a simple cast-off or just sew off the stitches. By the way, you can make the strip wider if you raise more needles. And now the best part of the video. That's the strip right after you take it from the machine. Knit a longer piece than you need. Now you can remove the contrasting color yarn that is marking the cast-on end. Sew the cast-off edge to your project, then cut the strip on the side of the cast-on end. Remove the fuzzy yarn and the piece won't start to unravel. Tell me, do you like this tip? By the way, do you remember the other variation of the same strap that I knitted for my belt? You can do the same thing using it, just remember to cut it on the side of the cast-on end. That's all for today, thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you in my next video.